Okay, we are doing lesson 14 video notes. Number 1 is write the number bonds. Partition the fraction strip, which is this right here, to show the unit fractions of the number bond. Use the fraction strip to help you label unit fractions on the number line. Include 0 unit fractions. So we will have to make this a 0 halves, and then we split this right down the middle to make a half. We label both of our parts, so 1/2, and then we label our number line for 1/2 and 2/2. For number 3, we have to work on the number bond as well as the fraction strip and the number line. So to split one whole in thirds, we would draw 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. We'll split our strip into 3 parts, as equal as you can get them, and label them 1/3, 0 thirds, labeling the number line, 1/3, and 2/3, and 3/3. All right, for the fourth one, zoom in. We're doing fourths now, so 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. 4/4 make 1. So we'll partition our fraction strip into 1, 2, 3, 4. And our number line 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Don't forget to label your fraction strip into equal parts. And then for the last one, we're doing in fifths this time. So 5/5 make a whole. We'll split our fraction strip up. And we'll make that into, label that 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and 1/5. We'll label our number line 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. Move on to that next page. Trevor needs to let his puppy outside every quarter or 1/4 hour to potty train him. Draw and label a number line from 0 to 1 hour to show every 4th hour. Include 0/4 and 4/4 hour. Label 0 hours and 1 hour too. So I'll draw my number line. So the things I have to label 0 hours and 1 hour. And then because it wants me to label it in every quarter or 1/4, I'm going to split this number line into 4 pieces. One, 2, 3, 4. So over here it's 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Here we go. Number 3, a ribbon is 1 meter long. Mrs. Lee wants to sew a bead every 1/5 meter. The first bead is at 1/5 meter. The last bead is at 1 meter. Draw and label a number line from 0 meters to 1 meter to show where Mrs. Lee will sew in a bead. Label all the fractions including 0/5 and 5/5. Label 0 meters and 1 meter too. So I'll draw my number line again. I'm labeling 0 meters and 1 meter. Now I'm splitting it into fifths. As equal as you can. And now I'll label 0/5. This is where the bead starts, at 1/5. I'm going to label that. Bead, beads, start. 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. Make sure you have everything labeled that you need to label. Label all the fractions including 0/5 and 5/5, and label 0 meters and 1 meter too. Alright, you can go ahead and move on to your practice.